David, did you check if we have everything for the baby?
Yes, Emily. I've packed the diapers, baby food, and her favorite toy. We should be all set?
Great. Let's call a taxi to the airport now. We don't want to be late for our flight.
Hello, can we get a taxi to the airport, please? Thank you.
Good morning. Where to?
Good morning. We're going to the airport, please.
And can you please make sure the ride is smooth? We have a little one with us.
Of course. I'll drive carefully.
Thank you, Emily. Let's check in our bags.
Hello. How can I help you?
Hi, we need to check in and get boarding passes. We also have a baby with us.
No problem. Do you need a crib for the baby on the flight?
Yes, please. That would be very helpful.
Here are your boarding passes and the tag for the crib. Have a safe flight.
Thank you so much.
Please put your bags on the conveyor belt and walk through the metal detector.
Emily, I'll go first, then you and the baby.
Can you help me get the baby food from the bag? They might need to check it.
All good. You can take these through.
Thank you.
I think the baby needs a diaper change before we board.
I'll find the restroom. Let's take care of it quickly, boarding will start soon.
We're now pre-boarding families with small children.
That's us. Ready, Emily?
Let's go. This is going to be an adventure.
Welcome aboard. Let us know if you need any assistance during your flight.
Thank you.
Hello. Welcome to your seats. Can I help you get settled?
Yes, thank you. We have a crib for the baby. Could you assist us with setting it up?
Of course. Let me set that up for you right now.
Do we have the baby's blanket and toy?
Yes, they're right here in the carry-on. I'll get them out.
Is there anything else you need before we take off?
Could we have some water, please? And how do we call for assistance during the flight?
I'll bring you water shortly. And you can call us by pressing the button above your seat. We're here to help.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
I think she's hungry. I'll feed her now.
Good idea. I'll get the food from the bag.
How is everything going here?
Everything's great, thank you. The baby just had her meal and is happy now.
Wonderful to hear. If you need anything, just let me know.
That went smoother than I expected. She's been such a good girl.
Yeah, it's been a pretty smooth experience. Let's hope she stays this calm until we land.
Fingers crossed.
We made it, Emily. And she's sleeping. Perfect timing.
Let's get ready to disembark. I can't wait for our vacation to start.
Me too. Let's make it a memorable one.